way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work, that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already yo. So when you just getting out of the box, I'm round in the cone.
I have a Honda Accord here. This one got destroyed on the quarter panel, so it's gonna get a new panel. I don't know if you guys could tell here, but this one's been replaced before. They sectioned it in right in here somewhere, and it's actually bonded. They didn't weld it. So we'll see how this one comes apart. It'll be a little different taken apart than a normal quarter panel, but I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this one off. Now this is supposed to be welded across here, but since somebody replaced this before, they actually bonded it, which is not something you're supposed to do. So I'll end up welding it back on, but that's why it's just peeling up like this. All right, I got this one all fit together. My door gap looks nice and even. It's a little wider here at the top, but that's how it is on the other side. So I'm just matching the gaps to the other side. And then back here, everything's lining up good. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'm going to pull this quarter panel back off. I gotta put the sealer around this area, and then I will put it back on there permanently and get it welded on.